Alright, what's up guys? So we're here with the little tutorial. We don't usually do this, but here we have a Kia K5 and we're going to be doing the tint on it. So we have to remove the third brake light. And the reason that we have to remove the brake light is because we need to put the film all the way inside, and without removing it, it won't sit properly. George was on YouTube and he seen that there was no videos on YouTube, so he told me maybe I should record this little tutorial for you guys. Yeah, what have you done so far, George? Can you please explain to the audience?
Okay, first thing to do, you have to remove the three clips, one right here, one in the middle, and the one on the other side.
Okay, great. So just remove clips.
They're
and
right
here are the clips. We're gonna be putting them over here so we don't lose them. The three clips are removed. Now, what are you gonna do, George?
You just open the liner, and you see the three screws, 1, 2, and 3.
All right.
And one more fastener on the middle.
Okay.
So you just remove the 3 screws, fastener, unplug
The harness.
Okay, and that's it.
So
Simple
what size
as that.
what size do the screws look
The
like?
screws, they're
Maybe like a 10?
10 millimeters.
10 millimeter, right? So it is 10 millimeter. Okay.
It is 10 millimeters.
So now George is removing those bolts. It's not very hard, it's just a tight space. It's gonna be 3 clips, 3 bolts, and 1 fastener, and then you just gotta unplug the harness. We do suggest using a clip remover tool, that way nothing messes up on the car. There it is, it's getting loose now. Now you take the fastener off. I'm helping George pull this down so it's easier for you to get. And there it is, it's popped off. Now you just remove this harness. You push down on the tab.
That's it.
There we go. Had to do it for George because he was struggling.
It's simple. It's taking a candy from the boy.
He said it's as simple as taking a candy from a boy. I don't know if you guys want your kids around George. So here's the end result. It's off. It's pretty simple again, guys. 3 clips up here. Once you remove the clips, pull it down, remove these 3 bolts right here, the fastener, and then the harness, and you guys will be done. Obviously, to put it back on, you would do the backwards order. So then you would go harness, fastener, 3 bolts, and then the clips. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this short video. Later, guys.